Assalamu alaikum viewers, my name is Zishan. Today in this video lecture we will learn about Applegate rules for Kennedy's classification. Very important question. Applegate rules. Applegate was a person who gave 8 rules for Kennedy's classification. That rules are very simple and applicable on all Kennedy's classes. Rule number 1. Classification should follow rather than precede any extraction of the teeth that might alter the original classification. Viewers, below the picture you can see the in picture 1 Kennedy class 2 and picture number 2 Kennedy's class 1. Rule number 2. If the third molar is missing and no to be replaced, it is not considered in the classification. Viewers, below the picture you can see the third molar is missing and we cannot to be replaced it. In this way, it is not considered in the classification. That picture follow the Kennedy's class 2. Unilateral edentulous area located posterior to remaining natural teeth. Rule number 3. If the third molar is present and to be used as an abutment teeth, it is considered in the classification. Viewers, below the picture you can see the third molar is present and we can use it as an abutment. Due to this, that's the rule number 3. Rule number 4. If the second molar is missing and no to be replaced, it is not considered in the classification. Viewers, below the picture you can see the red spot show the second molar is missing and we cannot replace it. Due to this, it is not considered in the classification. Rule number 5. The most posterior edentulous area always determines the classification. Viewers, below the picture you can see the most posterior edentulous area considered in the classification. That's the Kennedy's class 1. Bilateral edentulous area located posterior to remaining natural teeth. Rule number 6. Edentulous area other than those determining classification are called the modification spaces. Viewers, below the picture you can see the blue and red spots show the modification spaces and green color show the edentulous area. Rule number 7. The extent of modification is not considered, only the number of additional edentulous area. Viewers, below the picture you can see the yellow color show the extent of modification. That's the Kennedy's class 3. We can exceed the extent of modification, it doesn't matter. Rule number 8. There is no modification space in class 4. Viewers, below the picture you can see there is no modification space. That's the Kennedy's class 4. Definition of Kennedy's class 4. Single but bilateral edentulous area located anterior to remaining natural teeth. Features for the success of partial denture. Number 1. Adequate support is required for the distal extension basis. Number 2. Flexible direct retention is required. Number 3. A provision for indirect retention necessary. Viewers, if this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in next video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.